In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to diagnose enrollment issues using Hubspot's Workflow Troubleshoot feature. Hubspot is an incredibly powerful platform for managing your workflows, but like any tool, things can sometimes go off track, whether you're dealing with missing contacts, unexpected performance dips, or just want to ensure your workflows are running smoothly. This tutorial is here to guide you step by step, and if you're new to HubSpot, you can use the link in the description to create an account and follow along. To get started, head over to the HubSpot homepage and log in. Now, keep in mind, it's important to use the correct login credentials here to ensure you have access to your workflows and all the related tools. Once you're in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything in the platform. Next, navigate over to the Automation tab. You'll find it at the top of the homepage. Once you're there, click on Workflows to access all of your current and past workflows. This is where the magic happens. You can view everything you've built and start troubleshooting any issues that may arise. If your goal is to create a brand new workflow, here's what you'll want to do. First, click on the Create Workflow button. From the options provided, select from scratch if you want to build something tailor-made to suit your specific needs. This is a great choice if you're looking for flexibility and control. Once you've selected that option, click Next to move forward and begin designing your workflow. Now that you've located or created your workflow, it's time to review its performance history. This is an essential step because the performance history section allows you to visually assess how well your workflows have been operating over time. Here you can look for any anomalies, trends, or dips in performance that might indicate a problem. For example, if you notice a sudden drop in engagement or unexpected behavior, it could be a sign that something in your workflow logic needs adjustment. Once you've reviewed the performance data, the next area to focus on is the Troubleshoot enrollment section. This is a critical tool for diagnosing issues with your workflows. Here's why. It helps you identify why certain contacts might not be enrolling as expected. For instance, if some contacts are being skipped or excluded, this feature can pinpoint exactly where things are going wrong. Keep in mind, this section is all about identifying and resolving the specific roadblocks in your workflow. If you notice an issue, you can make the necessary adjustments right here to get things back on track quickly and efficiently. And that's it. By following these steps, you now know how to access your workflows, create new ones, review performance history, and troubleshoot enrollment issues within HubSpot. This process ensures your workflows are running as smoothly and effectively as possible. If you have any questions or tips about using HubSpot workflows, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.